Rod girl and whiskey's gonna ease my mind. Beach towel rests on the drying line. Do I remind you of your daddy in his 88 Ford? Labrador hanging out the passenger door. The sand from your hair is blowing in my eyes. Blame it on the beach, grown men don't cry. Do you remember that beat down basement couch? I'd sing you my love songs and you'd tell me about how your mama ran off and pawned her ring. I remember everything. A cold shoulder, a closing time. You were begging me to stay till the sun.
Back to our roots, huh?
Guess so. A little different than what we've been doing recently, but I'm excited.
I love it. I'm excited to do this.
They're so easy.
Yeah.
They're so easy compared to what we normally deal with. There's no rust on this car.
Yeah, that's true.
There's clips and like 2 bolts holding this bumper on. Like, it's amazing.
The current plan is that we're just painting. He has 2 OEM bumpers, front and rear, with all new clips and hardware and everything.
So this is the guy that we painted the blue Datsun
Yes.
for.
Yep, Spencer. We painted his blue Datsun.
So he
twin
got
turbo.
another car and want to help him out.
Yep, twin turbo LS, the blue one,
Look at it
the
from
wide
right here.
body.
You can tell the color difference.
So, yes, I'll show you. So this hood is like a replacement hood or something, probably out of a junkyard. I don't really know. I can tell that it's been repainted. It's extremely dull. And the color match is horrible here. The bumper does not match the fenders. It's a different variant. And same thing with the roof. Is a different variant. So we're also probably gonna do paintless dent repair on all this hail damage up here. It's pretty bad. So we did decide we were gonna go ahead and paint this whole car. So the hood, we have already had our paintless dent removal done. Got all the dings out of that. Went around on the body. That's all these little spots right here. Those were all previous dings that we got out in varying sizes. And the roof was real bad too. That turned out perfect. So a couple little things we have left to do. But we are gonna be painting this whole car. And this one's gonna be more of a budget style. So we're just doing this just to get it all the same color and looking really nice again. It is only a 40,000 mile car, so it's worth it. I'm sure this thing has had wax on it. And since we're not gonna be stripping this paint, the first step, we're gonna wanna use a wax and grease remover. Let's spray that. So now I'll let this sit for 10-15 seconds to lift everything off. Then I'll actually show you guys. So I like to spray it, let it sit, and then before I wipe it, I like to spray it again, and you'll really be able to see how much wax was actually on it. So 2 seconds, I'll come back. All right, so it's had time to sit. You can see it's starting to evaporate a little bit. Now it should have lifted all of the wax and contaminants off. And you see how it's all like fisheye-y. It's hard to describe, but it's because it's reacting with the wax that it's brought to the top of the panel. So there was quite a bit of wax on this thing. Before you scuff, you're gonna wipe all that shit off. Then spray it again. you can scuff it. It's just a quick scuff, nothing crazy. So this is the first step, really, to make sure you're removing any contaminants off the panel before you start sanding and prepping. You also want to focus around here. So from where tire shine will have flung up, it'll be real nasty right there. Can you see? We have the fender liners already pulled out of this. So it's about disassembled and ready to start sanding and get it in the booth. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that throughout the whole car. And after that, I can start sanding it with 400 grit and 600 grit. So that's our next steps. So I'm gonna continue.
Strange words come on out of a grown man's mouth when his mind's broke. Pictures in passing time, you only smile like that when you're drinking. I wish I didn't, but I do. Remember every moment on the nights with
you. You're drinking everything to ease your mind. But when the hell are you gonna ease mine? You're like concrete feet in the summer heat. It burns like hell when two souls meet.
Yep.
You know you'll never be the man that you always swore. But I remember you singing in that 88th word. A cold shoulder, closing time. You were begging me to stay till the sun rose.
You like it?
Strange words come on out of a grown man's mouth when his mind's broke.
We're ready to paint.
Pictures in passing time, you only smile like that when you're drinking. I wish I didn't, but I do. Remember every moment on the nights with you.
cold shoulder, closing time. You were begging me to stay till the sun rose. Strange words come on out of a grown man's mouth when his mind's broke. Pictures in passing time, you only smile like that when you're drinking. I wish I didn't, but I do. Remember every moment on the nights with you. Raw dirt whiskey's gonna ease my mind. Beach towel dress on the drying line. Do I remind you of your daddy in my 88 Ford? Labrador hanging out the passenger door.
is time to start putting this thing back together. So Nikki is taking our dog to the vet. So it's just gonna be me and Nikki, or me and Jesse today. Me and Jesse today. So we're gonna get a little bit of a head jump start on this thing to make sure that it leaves. Jesse thinks we're gonna get it all together today. So we shall see.
If I can't get this done today.
I know. Yep, so we should be able to get this together today.
She is something to behold, elegant and bold. She is electricity running to my soul. And I could easily lose my mind, the way you kiss me to work each time, calling me to come back to bed, singing Georgia on my mind. And live generous and warm, you build me up like stairs. Eyes innocent and wild, remind me what it's like. Oh, and I could easily lose my mind, the way you kiss me work each time, pulling me back into the flames. And I'm burning up again, I'm burning up. And I never understood what was at stake. I never thought your love was worth its weight. And now you come and gone, I finally worked it out, I worked it out. I never should have told you, I never should have let you see inside. Don't want any trouble in your mind, won't you let it be? I never should have told you, I never should have let you see inside. Don't want any trouble in your mind, won't you let it be? I never should have told you, I never should have let you see inside. Don't want any trouble in your mind, won't you let it be? I never should have told you, I never should have let you see inside. Don't want any trouble in your mind, won't you let it be?
Put the screw. How far?
Get to them.
Okay, how far do those other ones
you-
stay?
The only one that doesn't have screws.
Okay. Okay. Now, how far? That's what you want to do? Yeah. Okay.
You can't even hear the compressor in the background.
I know, it's pretty cool.
Can't.
Nope.
That's nice.
Yeah, we were having to yell before. That's pretty cool. Oh, I got the thing on me. I already forgot about it.
That's what I was talking about.
So we're putting the channel, putting channel to the bottom of this.
This is what you do.
Okay.
Okay. Got to put this in, and we're gonna lay it in the bottom of the door,
Okay.
and then we put in the vent window in.
Okay.
Then that makes sure that it's not difficult to get this in after the vent window. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it.
Got it.
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
Positive.
Yeah, let go.
Just make sure, bud. Got it.
Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah.
Stop, keep the microphone on.
Oh.
Ooh, ee, ooh. Yeah.
Walla walla bing bang.
You had to finish it.
Okay. We need bolts, buddy.
Okay. Where are they at?
I don't fucking know.
It's in.
Down. Up. Back in the channel with no help.
Beautiful.
Thanks,
Oh, yeah.
buddy.
And it's not ripply like the old
No, it's not
style.
bad.
No, it's great.
Really nice.
Yeah. Look at that.
Satisfying, huh?